Hey guys, I'm Graham Elliott, chef, restaurateur, and more importantly, someone that loves to travel. That's what's brought me here to Kentucky. We're gonna see some great people, hear some great stories, and taste some great food. You're about to be rooted in flavor. Louisville, or Louisville for those in the know, is a big sports town. Sure, there's horse racing, but there's also baseball. Home of the Louisville Slugger, this is an iconic baseball town, and I'm a die-hard fan. And I'm hungry. My first stop is Joella's food truck, where baseball fans get their hot chicken fix. I'm not sure I'm ready for this. All right, so now we are at Joella's hot chicken food truck. I'm with Chef Chris Hayes. We don't just have 1 or 2 levels of heat going on here. We have 6, is that correct?
That's correct. You can choose all the way from the southern, no spice, all the way up to our waiver-worthy fire in the hole sauce.
Wow, can I see the magic inside there?
Absolutely,
All right, let's go. All right, so now we're in the actual kitchen where the magic happens. Chef, can you show me how we get that heat onto the chicken?
Absolutely. So after we've breaded it and fried our chicken, move it on down to our hot station.
Okay.
And then you get to choose from your sauce level. We have the Ella, sweetener, and hot. There you go.
Nice. Look at that, magic. So it's like one bite? I'm a huge baseball fan, so the ginormous bat at the Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory is kind of hard to miss. I think I'm gonna have to take one of these home. Hey, how are you?
Hey Graham, nice to meet you. I'm Tony.
Tony.
Welcome to Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory.
Thank you, I am more than psyched. You gonna be able to show me some of the secrets?
We're gonna show you everything we have. We're gonna show you all our good stuff.
Can't wait.
You ready?
All right, let's do it.
Let's take you on inside.
Okay, I'm following you.
So old-fashioned way of doing it. That's how we did it for 100 years. It takes 30 minutes to make a bat this way. It takes us 30 seconds today. So
amazing.
Johnny's just here for your enjoyment.
Yeah. He's actually a robot. He's a fake Johnny.
All right, Graham, so this is our bat vault. We like to call this the Fort Knox of the Louisville Slugger.
Yes.
That's where we keep all the original master model bat copies. About 3,000 original models in here. And every single bat in here was custom made for a major league player at one point. So I'll give you the R43 model you can take a look at. This is actually the Babe's. It's Baber's model bat there. And that one's from 1933.
The most American of relics.
I mean, people come here from all around the world. May not know anything about baseball, but it seems like you all know the name Baber.
You're right.
There. So, Graham, I got one more special bat I want to show you here. So I'm actually going to let you take it out.
All right.
So I'm going to get in front of you over
here.
So it's this one right here. So just take that out, give it a look, and give us some information about that.
Oh, no way. That is sick. Oh! Look at that! That is amazing. Thank you, man. That is
you're very welcome.
I can't think of anything cooler than my own custom baseball bat. Well, maybe one thing. Nothing like ending the night than coming to a game here at Louisville Slugger Field. One thing that could make it better is maybe if I get to go throw out a first pitch. Whether it's Southern food that feeds your soul or a hometown baseball game, Louisville has a lot to brag about and a lot to share. You should definitely check it out and just maybe take home a souvenir.